Alright, here doing my afternoon routine here. Don't look like the ducks need any food, but they definitely need new water. So as you see, we're using coffee cups because they get the water everywhere. Of course, they're ducks. That's what ducks do. So we use the water, the coffee cups, so it doesn't get everywhere. They're pretty rad looking. A lot easier to see with the light off in daytime. There's Larry and Churro, and Bruiser, and Daryl, and Brutus, I think. And then there's little Oreo back there. And then of course you got our awesome chicks. You got Sheep right there. And then I don't know if these little chicks got names, but they're freaking awesome. Some of them are gonna be like the size of a grapefruit. The other ones will be big, with crazy feathers. Check out this little guy. Isn't he just awesome looking? Come on, Sheep, quit protecting them. I think he's a rooster. Look at that funny looking thing on his nose. You guys are almost big enough to go outside in a couple weeks. Get an overhead view. I definitely don't like the camera yet. Oh, Sheep right here. He's quite the protector. See that orange thing on his nose? Or his face, or whatever you call that? I bet he's a rooster.